got cut off. I will be fast for the second part. So this would be an example of the clicker questions that we envision the students will see. So imagine you're a member of the committee assigned to determine whether the athlete is female, and these are the results that you get. So from this information, do you decide that this individual is either male or female? So quickly, we can use a clicker response system through their phones and Google Classroom to assess their understanding of what we've discussed so far, or they can just show on their hands. One finger would be female, male. So A would be one finger, B would be two, or they can raise their right hand for male, left hand for female. And we will continue through. So again, sort of addressing those key concepts that need to be addressed based on the curriculum documents, and also using clicker questions to quickly assess student understanding. So coming back to our lesson plan, as we've gone through this sort of guided discussion component, we then go on to the 30-minute in-class discussion. Here, students are going to be divided into groups of 5 with 5 distinct roles. I'll let you go on and read through the different roles that we've set aside for the students. But the idea is that there would be one leader that used the questions that they have prepared in advance to lead the discussion in these small groups. And you have different individuals with different roles that will go on and contribute to this discussion. After class, students will have an at-home follow-up component. For assessment purposes, these individuals are going to provide their records for assessment. So leaders are going to reflect on their own experience, what went well, what didn't go well, and this comes as a part of sort of assessment as learning for them to critically self-reflect how they could have better led the discussion. Recorders are going to submit their own notes. Skeptics, again, reflecting on the experience, what went well, what didn't go well, and sort of assessment as learning. So students will then post these components onto the discussion board once again, and individuals in each team would offer constructive feedback to other members by responding to each other's posts. The idea is that there is essentially this online discussion and there is this in-class discussion, and we would like, where possible, to use the concept of Google Classroom to allow that online discussion to flow almost seamlessly into the class and again outside of the class. So for students who engage sort of into a really heated discussion, and really in class we only have 30 minutes, they have this opportunity online to continue that exploration, continue to bring up resources online or from other places that might be interesting, and really to get them continue thinking about this topic.